So, Nirmal ji, our HR friends want to know what needs to be done to be safe and future ready for new labor codes.
That is a very good question because this new code has opened up too many matters. So, the first thing is the restructuring of the wage. That is the biggest challenge. And after that, we have to consider all the flexibilities that have come in place of all the rigidities that were in place before. And there are some other matters after that, but a lot to discuss.
और हमारे ट्रेड यूनियन वाले भाई जानना चाह रहे हैं कि हमें भी इससे कुछ फायदा होगा नए लेबर कोड से या कुछ सावधानी भी रखनी होगी।
देखिए, सबसे बड़ा फायदा तो ये है कि उनकी अवधि अब 5 साल तक की हो सकती है। अभी तक तो 1 साल की हुआ करती थी औसतन। और सावधानियां, जी हाँ, बहुत से आयाम ऐसे खुल गए हैं जहां उनको सावधानी बरतनी पड़ेगी। One question that is coming from the employees side is that due to the implementation of this code, will our in-hand salary decrease?
Well, Nirmal ji, in some cases, yes, it may reduce. But in many cases, depending on the company's current policies, transition required, HR's innovation, it may not reduce or it may not impact immediately. It can be staggered, delayed. So we'll see in the actual podcast.
I see. अच्छा, एक सवाल और भी आ रहा है कि क्या पीएफ और ग्रेजुइटी में फाइनेंशियल इम्प्लीकेशन बढ़ जाएगा?
तो अपने एचआर के दोस्तों को मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि हाँ, ग्रेजुइटी में फाइनेंस के साथ सलाह करके कुछ तैयारी रखें। Yes, there could be some implications based on your current situation. और पीएफ के केस में if we understand the law properly, everything, then maybe we can protect our interest while complying to the laws. So we'll see on 21st December.